Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen Android 10 system special for Mazda CX-9 27 to 2016 years. Okay, it comes with special harness and canvas box. This is special harness and the canvas box. Okay, this is radio antenna. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. This is home button and volume button. You can choose the time. You also can choose logo. Check settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car header units. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose Mazda. Okay, change the Mazda logo and CMA detail. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Long press you can choose the app. You can check it via play music. And all apps are here. You can check its built-in amplifier, Bluetooth, DSP, Google Maps, and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. And Z-Link app for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. You can check connect Wi-Fi and support 4G mobile network hotspot from your phone. Okay, you can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay. And car settings, person settings, you can change these LED buttons. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Driver settings. Okay, let me check the about motion. You can check chip CX6 Android 10 system. Storage you can check total 64 GB. Okay, firstly let me check the Bluetooth. You can check this device name and the pin number. You can enable Bluetooth from your phone. And click search button. Put the pin number 40. Okay, change the color and show Bluetooth echo. You can make a phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call. And you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with stream music from your phone. The header unit comes with two USB. This USB driver, you can connect USB disk. Okay, it will play music automatically. This DSP amplifier. Okay. You can play video. Video is disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Turn on the watch video. It supports play 4K video. This 4K video. Okay, and it built in YouTube. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Visit our website belsee.com. Okay, that's all. Thank you.